Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see error handling in Golang. Error handling in Golang is done through the built-in interface type error. So we know that it has a built-in type error to handle errors. So that it's not a try and catch like we have in other languages. It's a zero value is nil. So by default, its zero value is nil. So if it returns nil, that means there were no errors in the program. Perfect. So let's see how we can do that in coding. Simple example. What are we going to do? We can have a function which will divide. So let's say x is an integer and y is another integer. And we can have int comma error. I will explain you this later. If y double equals to 0, then we can say return -1 comma errors dot new. Can say it cannot divide by 0. Okay, and we can say return x divided by y. So now let's go to our main function. It's to divide. Let's say 7 comma 0. If is not equals to null, then we can say fmt println error. Else we can say fmt println what? Answer. Let's run this. Go run main.go. It cannot, since we have a condition and we want it to fail. So in this part where the error type is returned from the divide function, and in the error case a custom error, see if you see custom error message is generated using what? Error dot new, which is returned. And in the main function, the returned error is simply checked for nil value. Simply checked for nil value. Since an error was encountered, the returned value is not nil. So the error is handled as necessary. So that's why we have the answer. It cannot be divided by 0 since we intentionally wanted it to fail. Golang handles its error. I hope that this video makes it clear how to handle an error. If you have any questions, do put that in the comment and do let me know if you have any suggestions for a new video. Thank you.